This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
To get started buying Bitcoin, log into your local Bitcoin account or sign up for free. In the search box in front of the page, type in amount you want to buy and choose your preferred payment method. Select all online offer to see all available advertisement. Press search and you will see a list of advertisement by different trader. Each row represents one advertisement. Starting from the left, you shall see the trader's username, the number of completed trades along with the trader's feedback score. Place your mouse over the colored circle to see how recently the trader has been online. The payment method column shows you the payment method of advertisement price. Per bit column shows the Bitcoin price in your currency for a full Bitcoin. If you want to buy more or less than one Bitcoin, it's no problem. The limits column shows you the smallest and the largest amount that you can buy from the advertisement. Click the buy button to open the advertisement and see more information like the reputation of the trader and his terms of trade. Make sure the amount is correct and then press the send trade request button. All online trades are protected from fraud by being escrow enabled. This means that when the trade is started, we take the Bitcoin from the trader and keep it stored safe in escrow until the trade is completed. You can chat with the trader to get help with your trade. Pay for the Bitcoin according to the instruction you are given. It's important to pay before the payment window runs out or else your trade will be cancelled. Then you may lose your money mark. The payment completes when you have paid by pressing the button. This stops the trade from cancelling automatically. And when the trader sees your payment, he will release the Bitcoin to this moves the Bitcoin to your local Bitcoin wallet from escrow. You can go to your wallet by clicking on your wallet balance on the menu bar, and that's all. Happy trading. As you can see, amount has been put on.